Hey everyone, Ryan from Storytail here. So it's no secret that live content outperforms every other type of content because it's personal. But the problem is, video meetings over the past few years have absolutely killed our sanity, as you can see. So if you want to host a masterclass, a product demo, a sales presentation, anything where you're delivering content to a live audience, it's actually really hard to create something different, engaging, and memorable because often all we have to work with is a screen share and a grid of videos, as you can see. And I wanted to film a video to show the power of hosting in Storytail, and I realized there's actually no better way of doing that than in the platform itself. So here's a quick little overview of everything you can do in Storytail and how you can use Storytail to actually deliver your live content differently. So the first thing I'll show you is, and you can probably already tell, it feels different in Storytail. I can add my logos, I can add my colors. You can really make it feel like your own space, not ours. You'll also notice on the left-hand side here, there's actually a list of scenes, and scenes is a really big difference in terms of how you actually present your content on Storytail. With scenes, you can create these clickable environments that your audience can interact with in real time. So let me run through a few examples. So a Typeform is a really great use case where you can actually create some sort of activity or feedback form and actually implement this into your experience. And you'll see this is actually an environment that all your participants can actually engage with. A whiteboard is a really great one that we see a lot of use cases out of, people being able to collaborate together. Miro or Mural or one of those collaborative pieces of software, all that is actually integratable into the software as well. So you can actually use all your favorite tools together without having all these multiple tabs open and sending people different places, and it's a very disconnected experience. Storytail is all about bringing everything together in one place, giving you control as the host to how you design your experience. Now the way Scenes works is everything's built on web components, which means we can actually go a lot more deeper than just using third-party integrations. For example, if we want to put our own website there, we can do that, and people can scroll our website. We see options like the ability to add buttons and download links and forms and all this sort of native stuff that you expect to see on the internet, actually integrated directly into your experience. So if you want to create some sort of call to action or lead magnet or do some sort of sales, like this is a great opportunity to actually convert people and actually give them an action to take during your experience. And this is one of my favorites, you know, instead of chucking out your socials and putting the link in the chat or just having them on screen, like actually having a proper link that people can press is such an amazing way of doing things. And on the right-hand side, we have our attendee power-ups. Now, these are built to supercharge your engagement. Now, there's a few different things you can do. We've got some simple things like the chat, and you can view how many people are in the room, and you can invite them to stage, so you actually have control over who's on video. But you also have options like to have a workbook, so it's like your personal note-taking diary, the ability to set activities, a dedicated place for questions. There's a lot of opportunity for you to actually customize your event and use some of these power-up features that we have to actually elevate your engagement. And everything in Storytail is controllable. So it means I can turn things on and off, I can change the look and feel, I have full control over everything. So if you do want to create some live content in Storytail, go to our website and join the waitlist. We're in a private beta at the moment, but we're accepting new people every single day. So come join us. I'm really excited to see what you can create in Storytail. We've seen a bunch of awesome use cases come out of it over the past few months, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what you come up with. I'll see you there.